This dance is called Lucky Dust. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one restart. Starting on the left foot. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a little weave, crossing the left behind, right to side, cross left over right. Step the right to the side, left beside right, shuffle forward on that right. That set of steps once more then, side rock into that weave. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Walk forward, right, left, into a right mambo step, rock forward on the right, recover on the left, right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step. Let's put those two sections together. Side rock off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle forward on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, cross shuffle right over left. That set of steps once more then, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Side rock and weave off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. We're now going into half a figure of 8s. Going to feel a bit more alien because most of them actually go to the right. This one is travelling to the left. Same principles apply. So step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left. Quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. Quarter turn left as you step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. So half figure of 8s. Try that once more, half on the left. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So it is a full turn in that half figure of 8. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do is alternative steps. Vine to the left, side, behind, side, don't turn. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight back on the left, vine to the right, side, behind, side. Non-turning steps should you need to take the full turn from that figure of 8 out. Otherwise it's the end of the dance when we get to that point. So let's put it all together. Side rock, weave, half on the left. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you get a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side rock weave off on the left. 7, 8. Side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step. Back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step. Back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step. Back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. You will have just done your mambo step and you restart the dance. Wall 4 is our 9 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 16 counts, restart the dance. Side rock off on the left. 7, 8. Side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, restart. Side rock, behind side cross. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. Wall 4 after 16 counts. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, side rock, behind side cross, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side rock move. Should we start all? Forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, mambo, restart, side rock, down side cross. Forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, figure eight, side rock, forward rock,
Kicked up, dust. Yeah, I should've kicked up, dust. Should've kicked up some dust, a little bit of dust.
Hope you managed that one.